Asante. Haya, tumemaliza mkutano.
Umoncho mwerere abwe TV ya Kisii Hot TV kubakira ngambye muna senge ncho kwenda gusanga muna ituna anene muno kugendera kwimanya sagase nikote kuruchingo gonye Chelsea omete ekre financial year also financial bill ya 2023 when it came to the table most 90% of yaba Kenya nigo banye pingete bakanyekana bakatenda ki this financial year we don't support it. Nigego tuwa obogima bokongu ekikegerete even today abantu bakora mandamano wetane kororeira asogata ko tabana ki chikora cyane nigo naiberwa chikora nicene irete IPC ndeketoro siamo. Even if you see the first wave ya mandamano ali alibwate the four chereras IPC Sava abantu makoreti mandamano some parts of this country. Even Kisii County mandamano tare ngororo. But again, I want to remind you this. After the financial bill, the financial year 2023 came out, aba Kenya mbanye support. Lakini asengenjo because the regime and the government ekaira wabunge. The MP Zairi Janda today he came to attest na key ground kiago test upon the financial bill. The MP Zahiri Janda onaro mo MP what the full picture yaba anto bae balibo mwakerete kura gotaga na mange. The MP today ekralega setone bosongo. It was too hostile for him to address the people in Kisii town, where the people who voted for him as the MP for Nyaribari Church. It was very hostile for him. The MP went ahead. Ekre crowd kaba hostile ko address abantaba ngamba kora mandamano ngaba support the financial bill. Ekarukeba hostile, he went ahead otaka wakana bantaba iga elfu ya memo 500 so that vamwe space yoko ba address. I want to show you this. Here is Zairi Janda orendire no moskari is giving out some cash to the people. Well, after the ground Kaba hostel, the MP gave out cash in Mwembe around Black House. The MP went to Keumbu, also gave out some money. Saki museme kama ni propaganda. I want to give you this clip. I want you to see this before I continue. Now, you have seen this. Umeona hii. This is MP for Nyaribari Church, Zahiri Janda. The MP, the people today spoke to him direct and told him, we don't support ambia Rais Ruto apunguze unga, bei ya unga, gharama ya maisha. Hawakusema kwamba wafungue server. No. When these MPs went to parliament, they voted yes. Walipiga yes. Wakasema we support the financial bill. But they never listened from the ground. Today, the people for Nyaribari Chache walisungumuza bamutabia yo mheshimiwa. Nonye kwa sasa serikali ganota Ruto, we don't support him. We don't support the financial bill unless Ruto must go. Hayo si maneno yangu. I'm here only to give you the update and give you some green light on what happened today in Kisii town. Watu wanafunga biashara. And the MP was moving around the town with his spanner boys. Alikuwa atemena kwa vijana wake. Chasi to please kufurahisha William Samoei Ruto. Eti Kisii hakuna maandamano. And yet the people are suffering. What an embarrassment this MP alipata leo. Kwa sababu gani? Abantu bamote direct, live and direct. Mheshimiwa. Ya Ruto must go unless ayerebosi bigoriobosi bokoruga. Sitaki msema ni maneno yangu. I want to give you this clip. Just look at this clip before we continue.
Wako sawa. Wako chonjo. Polisi wako sawa. Mbona wamerelax hata hawana pressure? Mbona wengine wako pale wamerelax wako sawa? Hawajatupa tear gas, hawajarusha mawe, hawajafanya tu, wako sawa sawa. Wamewafungua. Wamefanya nini? Wamefanya nini? Tusikie waita mtu mmoja aseme tusikie polisi wanafanya makosa gani. Pia maaskari wako Hon.Jhanda kwa maana hawajarusha tear gas. Asante. Haya, tunaanza mkutano.
I think quarter clip wekiga. This is the situation in the ground. Rona munga rubago tebenga te support the financial bill ya 2023. I challenge you, enda kwa ground. Sikiza watu. Be friendly. Uliza watu. Nimekuja. Nataka kusikia financial bill hii ya 2023 ikoje wakuu. Na kiera banta chipos. Ntabyangu. Watakwambia Zari Janda Ekaracha town was a town very cool. Nyawate and tension. Abantu banning a town despite Chitukacha Sekire. The MP, Omagotaneti speaker, our dress from that side, Omahokwana Mandamano, Natatakaidi. Noa Amangataka was like Kisii County. No, I never tell to go more president. Mama Kishoma and Manataka in Sobo. Maandamano ya abantu bagera korekana Zairi Janda asenga nchoni guys ko segia abantu watu wamekasirika toko teneti speaker obabekera batako batenga maandamano ngaraira yet these people are angry and hungry iko batake tendagira now paremere irirende ba samba wosemba live in the town. As the MP is addressing, Oma kuweka speaker, abantu amagoichora ekebemberi. Yeah? All of a sudden, ekra kwa na maandamano, bange komosel. omakora rotiri moka oso egarime. The first thing oso egarime. Abasikari bake sabo. Omobungo yobaretere egasenkong. Olorange iri abantu bakire bamosariri atego so egarime agende. Abatige bagusumukana bagoserene n'abantu abanamagena. Pama kugenda baru municipality market. Area market ya Busongo. Patri moka market basoke state ngore ya Kisumu mate arese para ya Kisumu highway. Keba so kororo omago so egarime. Abasikari bamakurute chitiagas. Abantu basemerekana omuntu barangera abantu aba no mubunga zairi jara net speaker. Otamire obatigire. Asengo njake background kyabere hostile. Janda nigasi yuko address abantu finally asaga na the next steps. Igase abantu ritangani omako ba address. Zairi Janda ondo beka bande cloud. At Black House na town chinde chikotoka Kisii county ensame ya Delivery Church onge ko ba address. Abasikari bamurendete as a member of parliament. Ekara abasikari batategete abantu bombena namo lakini watu wengine wakiweka watu pamoja azimio mwabarute chitiagas. Na mwamokorera the kind of intimidation tobwate in this country, the kind of regime tobwate in this government. Finally, omobungo okitutu chache north omosike Javeti Nyakundi omanyagocha ase a capital roundabout ya Busongo. And he gave out some cash as a poda. I had about 10,000. Omobunge, omagotuma kitutu chache north, otuma kitutu chache south, omagotachanya Delivery Church. Today, azimio maribwate maandamano. Today, azimio maribwate maandamano is only UDA and askaris bariko komunikanie town. So, we have seen abantu bakritikal shoot. Twalolera abantu bande basubete bitamba. Bamote chi kwerende chi pistol. Even you have seen the MP Kornakuru almost Rama threatening abantu de gani komoko. Finally, ba ato hotel ya Ebirole. You have seen abantu bagoche abantu abaigaba Kenya maskini. Omuntu korara nchara na ababunge baito. Ababunge should stay away. The government should punish ababunge abaigaba Kenya kwanza. Babere away, abantu bere away, abasikari bakore gasi yabo. The MP Arama olgo trite n'abantu n'ebunduki aga pistol. Arichinse mchana akuru. Unajua mimi nitawapiga marisasi. Niliambia serikali ipiga watu marisasi. Itakupiga watu marisasi. Finally, walipasua hoteli yake. Watu hoteli. Because of what? Hawakuwa na maneno. Kombara chakokale anything. Oba sokede gani? Ocha kuba t-shirt. What next? Kwa kubako kina ki na basacha bali. I want to tell this MPs. Stay away. Kawachi obisi chino. Go to parliament. Go to Nairobi. Stay your homes. Wachana mambo ya incitement. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Nchenguru kunem to Dennis. Ose kukurikuntu. Bye bye.